my beautiful babies, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I know we're in a different setting than what we're used to today, but that's because I wanted to show you guys my tips and tricks on how I achieve my aesthetic, my pictures, everything that is Mother Tokyo you're gonna be getting today. I've been trying to wait to do this video because I wanted to make sure that I had everything I needed, and I also wanted to wait till I got a new camera and everything like that. And I just got a new phone, so we're fine. I'm really excited because people have been asking me for years what I use to edit, how I achieve certain things, because not everything I do is edited. I use practical effects too. They go hand in hand, and I'm really proud of what I can achieve with a small budget. It's not, you know, something so outlandish and amazing, but I'm proud of what I can do. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, so this is actually going to be a two-parter. The first part is going to be me setting up, showing you guys how I set up, and also showing you what things look like on my camera versus my phone, and tips and tricks I use just with that, and posing and lighting and stuff like that, because that's very important too. And then the second part will be how I edit. I'll be walking you guys through everything I use to edit my pictures, and all the little tips and tricks that I have with that too. I know I've taken a shot every time I say tips and tricks. So for this first part, this is a never before seen, like when you guys get these pictures back, the video will be out, boom. I know the whole flower era is gone. It was supposed to be over in like, what, 2015? But I don't care. I still love flowers. My boyfriend knows I love flowers. Like, I'm just a flower girl. I love flowers so much. So I got these flowers from Dollar Tree. Yes, I told you, everything I do is on a budget. Like, I'm for real about this. Since my aesthetic is usually like pinks, blues, purples, I wanted to make sure that whatever I was doing would be incorporated into that. I'm going to be nailing up some backdrops first because I don't really want to work with this. Obviously for this you're going to need a hammer, nails. I have a magnet on this so I don't lose my nails, and a backdrop. You can really get backdrops anywhere. I like to get mine from Walmart. You can usually get like 2 yards for like $5–7. Now this next part is about to get messy because there's a lot of glitter on this thing. This is gonna take forever to clean up, but I'm doing this for y'all, so please watch this video and subscribe. And thank you. So this light is now on. Now I'm going to change it. I don't know what color I'm going to be feeling for this, but it can different colors. I'm going to dim this light down because I usually do not like to shoot with a ring light, because I like the camera's flash better. It just makes everything look very crisp and very professional and detailed. So I'm going to cut down this ring light to kind of show you a little bit more of what the colors will look like. Friends, you can see that the light is showing on my shirt, on my face. Now I'm gonna turn this light on that is closest to my bed. Turn this light on, and I'm going to kind of, let me move this out the way. I'm gonna put it to the very edge, and I'm gonna swing it back here. That way it's pointing that direction. You see, I can change the color to whatever. If you're wondering, Tokyo, that's a lot. Yeah, I do this for like a lot of my pictures, and you know, I'm only pushing like 2,000 likes if I'm lucky. So hopefully now you have a more respect level of what I do. I don't know what this is gonna look like on this new phone. I just want to show you guys that you could take these pictures with your regular iPhone and you can get good pictures out of it. So this is what things are looking like on my camera. This is just video mode, so I don't know if you guys can see, but the lighting is reflecting off of the glitter in the background, which I love because it's making it look more, you know, magical and whimsical and very starry night, and I love that. So this is just showing you what my iPhone is looking like the best I can. There's no way I can do this without this. I do not have a clicker right now, so I'm just gonna be using self timer. Self timer is usually my best friend. I usually like to do 3 seconds, but I'm gonna do 10 seconds today just because there's gonna be a lot of sliding back and everything like that. So that's zoomed all the way out, and this is zoomed in all the way, which is what I want. And right now I'm just going to my little settings, and I'm just choosing colors that I like, and I'm going to turn off my ring light. So now this is the tricky part, is getting the shot. So I'm gonna make sure that my flash is on and not on auto. I'm gonna press the button, and it is for 10 seconds. It's easier when I have a clicker, but I need to get a new one, so I don't have one right now. Let's see what we got. That's pretty. It's an alright picture. I think I'm gonna switch to the lighting. So I'm gonna put the yellow light over here and the pink light over here. So let me do that. So now I'm gonna try this again. And sometimes the coloring takes trial and error. It's no big deal. And see that that's so much better. Now I'm gonna continue to take pictures with my iPhone and my professional camera, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys how I edit them. I decided to do this last part in my bed because it's late and I'm feeling pretty lazy. So if you're finally ready to learn my tips and tricks, then keep watching. Okay, so now that I have all my pictures, I'm gonna try to screen record everything on my phone. That way you guys can see everything I do. First off, we're gonna start with the pictures that I took with my camera. So I took a lot of different pictures. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do really, so I've already went through and like deleted the ones that I really definitely was not going to use. Anything that was blurry, first I delete things on my camera, and then I go and delete it on my laptop. That way I can really see it up close, and then once I see it on my phone, I just swipe through them. So I'm just gonna pick 1 or 2 pictures on this that I really like. So any picture that I take, I'm taking for Instagram. So I want it to look nice whenever you see it on my page. So you know, on Instagram the pictures are square. So I want to make sure that they look good on my feed. That way they grab your attention if you're just browsing on my page. So I'll pick a picture like maybe this, because that looks good off the bat. This one looks good too. This one does too, and so does this one. I like to zoom in to kind of look at what I'm getting, because I know that like I might end up choosing a picture that looks like this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take this picture and I'm gonna open it up in BeautyPlus. This picture right here. I'm gonna do the smoother. Boom. And then I'm going to do the contour. Boom. Bam. I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna go to Vsco, get that picture, import it. Boom. This is like one thing that I actually do subscribe to. It's, I don't know how much it is. Maybe it's like $20 a year. I'm not sure. I have a favorites and I go through it and see what I like. I think for the aesthetic of what I'm doing, I usually go over here. I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. And I don't like really bright photos. So I'm just gonna dim it down just a little bit. And then I go to tone and I bring that highlight up. Just kind of like, I don't know, it makes my skin look a little better. And then I go to white balance sometimes and I take that yellow out of my face and I might like bring this down a little bit. And then I go to HSL. I never really use the red, the orange, and the yellow because I obviously have that in my skin. And I don't want to take that out because if I did, it would just look like this. You don't want that. Unless that's the look you're going for. So I usually really only dabble with these. So with the blue, I can saturate the blue a lot. I can dim it down. I can make the blue more purple. I can make it look more teal. And I can make it lighter and I can make it darker. I think I like it as is. I do want to dim back that blue a little bit. And then I'm going to raise purple up like that. And you can make the hue of the purple more pink, or you can make it more on the actual purple blue side. I think it's fine how it is. Let's see. I can make it lighter. I can make it darker. I'm kind of liking this dark look. So you can tap it and look at the before and after, but sometimes you need to be careful because the eyes will sometimes get a little pink too. But I mean, I'm fine. I have pink in my little in the corner of my eye, so it's gonna make my eyes look a little more pink. But for this picture, I'm really just gonna have it like this, so I don't really care that much. Save, and then I'm gonna go over here to my photos, to the finished look. Boom, that's what it looks like finished. I'm gonna crop it a little bit more. You can crop it like this, but for this picture, I really think I'm just going to I want it to be my whole half of the face. Boom. And I can also, you know, go like this. And I could really zoom in if I wanted to, like that. It grabs the attention. It's really cute. Let's find another picture. I'm not trying to have all these be half face photos, but like I'm really feeling this half face look. Smooth. And then contour. Edit. I'm gonna do the same thing I did. We'll try to do the same thing I did because I really don't remember much. This picture is already pretty dark, so I really don't care. I'm gonna brighten it up just a smidge, like not even a lot. Then I'm gonna go do my thing. And it also brings out the colors a little bit more. So from that to kind of like making the colors pop a little bit better. This, and then I'm gonna bring that pink back into my face, turn down some of that yellow. I'm gonna go here. I really don't remember what I did here, but I think I just left that alone. Brought down the blue and made sure that that was saturated. And then I'm gonna do one more just to show you guys this one trick that I love about this Vsco app. So I'm gonna take this picture that I already edited a little bit, just ran it through the BeautyPlus. I didn't do anything to it. So I'm gonna show you guys a little trick that I learned just recently actually that's been really helpful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select the picture that I just did. I'm gonna go to more. I'm gonna go to copy edits, and then I'm gonna click on this, unclick that, and I'm gonna click paste edits. The same thing. It's now on that. And I just love that. It makes it so much easier so I don't have to memorize exactly what I did. It shows me what filter I edited with. After I click done, I might go into Face app and clean that up. So any of my lace front wears, I haven't really been wearing lace fronts that much. Sometimes baby hairs are tricky and sometimes you just don't freaking like them. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna click to heal, and I'm going to zoom in on this spot right here, and that'll take that away, the little line. Let me see, let me zoom in, let you guys see. Boom, bam, boom, bam. And I might even take away some of this. This may not be perfect, but it kind of helps, I don't know, do something. Makes it less visible maybe? I don't know. But I can zoom in a little bit more. I might zoom in just a tad bit more and actually get into it. And then swoop, get that. And then swoop, get that. It may not be perfect, but whatever. And then I'm gonna click the smooth button and I'm gonna smooth this out. Smooth that out a little bit. And you can do this if you don't, I don't know. Sometimes baby hairs are just tricky. And you can like go how you want, I don't know. So that's what it looked like, and that's what it looks like now. Now, if you don't want to do that, all those freaking steps, you can simply just go to heal. You can do what you did, and then you can go to matte. I actually don't like this little shadow right here either, so I might just heal that too. And then I'm gonna take the smooth again and I'm gonna smooth this out right here on my cheek. See the before and after. Boom, bam, boom. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like on a picture that's not really edited. So I'm going to go to neon, and I'm going to left on the left side. What side did I don't even know what side I had what on. I feel like this side I had though. The yellow, dim it down a little bit. The right side I had pink, and that's what it would look like. I mean, you can kind of really play around with it though. Even if it's not the color you originally had, let's say go with like red, okay, on that side, and then on the right side I can go with a lighter color. Have more, you can have less. You can really just play around with it. I know this audio is all over the place, but and then I go into my planning apps. I like to plan my pictures before I post them, just so I can see what they would look like. This one is Planly, but unfortunately you have like a limit of how much you can plan a month. So instead I've been using this app called Planning, and it's just basically my backup right now. It's no big deal. Same concept, I can do the same thing on there. And then I just start placing pictures that I like and that I want, and I put them on my grid. And from here, I can move this around any way I want. So I think this is how I'm gonna have it. And I'm not gonna post it yet. I'll probably start posting them when the video is out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.